All right, this is the part where I'm gonna show you how to change the or take out the maintenance requirement light from a 2018 Toyota Corolla. Okay, I'm pretty sure this all the way up to 2014 and to maybe a 19 you could, it's the same way, and maybe even lower, but this is specifically for 2018, and you could try it for a 2014. I'm pretty sure it will work also, and probably lower. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the trip is on trip A. So we're gonna click the odometer trip till it hits, and the car doesn't have to be on. Okay, just make sure you don't have to turn it on for right now. Okay, so just make sure it's on trip A. We're gonna turn the car off. Okay, and then, and this part's gonna be a little hard because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in second position, which is it's gonna be, see, that's first, this is first position, this is second position. Okay, where it says on. All right, so that's where we're gonna keep it. But before you do that, okay, you have to come over here and press this button, right? So I'm gonna turn it back on real quick on the on position, right? But just to make sure that I have it on a trip A. Okay, trip A is on. So we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna press this button, right? Press it down, put it on position on, right? That I showed you, and it's gonna blink. You gotta wait till all those little lines go away. Once all those little lights go away, boom, the light goes on. So now you turn off the car, right? Turn it back on, and this time I usually turn the car on completely, and it should go away. Now your maintenance light or maintenance requirement should be off. See? So I'm hoping this tutorial, complete tutorial, helped you guys. If you guys liked my videos and would like to see other videos, I'll be more than glad. Just comment below and let me know if you like my videos. Give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe. And if you could hit the little bell button, that'd be great, and I can do more future videos. So I appreciate you watching, and thank you.